Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going over Harbor Freight's Dollar Days that's going on from August 13th to the 26th. Also, we're going to go over and see if there's any new tools since the last time we checked out the Dollar Days. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting off the sale, we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty Mini Pick and Hook Set. This is going to be $1 at 47% off. Next up here, we got the HFT 4-ounce Incredibly Strong Wood Glue for $1, 66% off. That's a great deal on that. Then we got the 6-inch microfiber applicator pad with the pocket for $1, 32% off, another great deal. Then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty socket rail, your choice, of 1/4, 3/8, or a 1/2 inch for $1, 49% off. Now these ones I kind of don't recommend because with these, they are very sharp, and that's the one thing I do not like about them, that you could cut yourself open with them. But besides that, if you just need them, this is a cheap way to pick them up. Starting off this next row, we got some more Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty. We got the 1/4 inch by 4-inch slotted screwdriver for $2, 19% off. Then we got the paracord 1/8 inch by 50 foot with a 160-pound capacity. Very nice. $2 at 49% off. That's another good deal. Next up here, we got the retractable razor blade scraper, $2, 42% off. And finishing off this row, we got the Hallmaster 5/8 inch by 3-inch hitch pin with clip, $3 at 24% off. Starting off this row, you got a Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty 8-ounce stubby hammer, your choice of claw or ball peen for $3 at 24% off. Great deal on that. Next up here, we have the Pittsburgh Lifetime Warranty 12-inch quick release bar clamp for $3, 33% off. Now we got the Western Safety High Performance UV Safety Glasses, your choice of color, $4, 19% off, and those are smoked or clear. These look like some nice glasses for the price. Then finishing off this row, we got the HFT 5-foot 6-inch, 7-foot 6-inch camouflage, all-purpose weather-resistant 5mm tarp. That's going to be $4 at 33% off. A good deal on that one. Starting off this row, we got the HFT multi-purpose tarp clips 4-pack for $4, 19% off. Then we got the Gordon folding lock back utility blade for $4, 42% off. Great deal on that one. Then we got the 105-foot by 0.94-inch automotive performance masking tape for $4 at 19% off. And then finishing off this row, we got a Pittsburgh trim and molding tool set 5-piece for $5 at 44% off. That is a great deal also. Starting off this next row, we got the Vanguard 10-foot by 16/3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord for $5, 37% off. Then we got the US General 18-inch by 72-inch non-slip toolbox solid liner. This is going to be $5 at 37% off. Another great deal. Then we got the Badlands ATV utility winch mounting plate, $6, 24% off. Then we got the Pittsburgh 12-inch file set, 5-piece, $6 at 33% off to finish off this row, and that is another great deal. Now starting off this row, we got something from Braun. We got the 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light for $6, 24% off. Then we got the 30-inch solar LED garden decorative lights 3-pack, $7 at 22% off. Then we got some titanium welding gloves, large, $8, 33% off. That's another great deal. And then finishing off this row, we got the Merlin 5-in-1 safety coupler. This one is $9 at 33% off. Now that's everything for the Dollar Days. Let's check out and see if there's any new tools since the last time we checked. And we do have some new tools since the last time we checked. We got the Maddox pneumatic dent puller for $89.99. Then we got a Doyle 11-in-1 magnetic multi-bit screwdriver nut driver. This is going to be $13.99. Then it looks like we got a new color in the US General Mini Steel 2 boxes. We got the white for $19.99. Finishing off this row, we got the Earthquake XT 1/2-inch stubby air impact wrench, jumbo hammer, 800 foot-pounds of torque on that bad boy. So we got that for $89.99. Then starting off this row, we got some more Earthquake stuff. We got the Earthquake 3/8-inch stubby air impact wrench, jumbo hammer with 710 foot-pounds of torque for $69.99. Not a bad price on that one. Then we got something new from Icon. We got the 12-in-1 professional multi-laser infrared thermometer, $64.99. Interesting that they came out with that with an Icon. And then we got the Doyle 8-in-1 magnetic nut driver, $24.99 on that one. And that is all the new products that are out since the last time we checked them. So there you have it. There is the dollar days going on from August 13th through the 26th. Also, some of the new products since the last time we checked from the last dollar days. As always, leave a comment down below if there's something you want to pick up. Also, leave a comment if there's something you're disappointed in. Love talking to you guys down in the comments, whether it's good or bad. Love talking to you. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps out the channel, and I can't grow this channel without you. Also, we are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.